What's going on, guys? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So I'm here to give an emergency update. I just noticed what happened. Now see that Xen Turbo has reached its unofficial bottom. You can see at the bottom left here where it says total earned. The total that you were earned from a maximum stake of 429 days is -1 cent. Okay, 429 days, 427 days again, as you can see, is very, very extremely close to the max term. As you can see, the max term right here of 446 days. Okay. And as you can see, the total earned again keeps switching between -1 cent, 7 cents, 10 cents, a very, very small amount. And the amount of time that is going to take you to make this 7 cents is a mint claim date of 410 days. So if you mint Xen right now, it's going to take you 421 days just to break even. Unbelievable. This is wild. Not only is it going to take you 421 days, 416 days, if you do the maximum amount, 466 days, 446 days, you're only going to get $2.23, aka almost nothing. Mind you, a week ago, 2 weeks ago, this was worth about $30, $40. This is happening because the 𝘰 prices right now are extremely high. They're 70 𝘰 right now to do one mint. In addition to that, the price of Xen has been dropping dramatically for such a long time. I can pull this up. The Xen prices right now are extremely low. It's -4% today. It's nearing its all-time low that happened about 6 days ago, where it was 5 zeros and a 105. It's nearing that again. But when you combine its low price along with the expense of Ethereum, of 𝘰 that's 70, that 𝘰 that's 68, this is very, very this is the first time that this has happened pretty much. So what are the implications from this? This means that as time goes on, for probably a week from now, 2 weeks from now, maybe even sooner, the price of Xen will stabilize here for almost ever and ever. We are only going to see Xen have a price of about maybe 5 zeros and 105, or 5 zeros and an 8, or I'm sorry, 6 zeros and an 8, or my prediction, 6 zeros and a 3. The bottom is nearing very, very soon. And because the bottom is going to happen in the next 1 to 3 weeks, the price of Xen is going to only increase from here on out to the future forever and ever. Okay, it may go with its ups and downs. It may go higher during the bull run dramatically and then crash crazily during the bear market in 2026. But long term, it's only going to increase in price by about 100x. Okay, in the next 2 years, I've been saying this many, many times, the price of Xen is going to 100x in the next 2 years. So if you put $1,000 in right now, you're going to get about $100,000 by the beginning of 2025, maybe even the end of 2025. And I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Mint Xen, do not buy Xen. Don't buy Xen yet. Buy Xen in maybe 2 to 3 weeks to a month, but mint Xen. I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Let's get this money.